Hi guys, I'm the ice cream cow, and today I'm going to show you how to make Play-Doh ice cream. Firstly, we're going to need Play-Doh ice cream cones. Next, we need to decide what flavour to make our ice cream. Let's make vanilla first. So I have my white Play-Doh with sprinkles. And I'm going to take an extruder and roll this white Play-Doh so it fits into the extruder. There we go. And now we can form our ice cream. So let's squeeze it into the ice cream cone. And there we go. Now let's make sure it fits. And then we have our vanilla ice cream. Next, let's make chocolate ice cream. So I have my brown Play-Doh here, and we can take some of this and make it to fit the extruder the same way as we made the vanilla ice cream. So let's push it in. And now we can make the chocolate ice cream. And let's shape it to fit to the ice cream cone. And there we have our ice creams. We can now make some sauce for our ice creams. For the vanilla ice cream, I'm going to add some strawberry sauce. So I'm going to flatten out this pink Play-Doh and place it onto the vanilla ice cream. There we go. I'm going to add some vanilla sauce to the chocolate ice cream. So let's add it on. And there we have our ice creams. They look delicious, don't they, ice cream cow? Yes, num num num. Delicious ice cream. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!